Okay, so now I'll just give a quick guide onto how to create a MentiMeter. So if you'd like to just Google MentiMeter, click the first result, and then you can go get started for free. So if you'd like to just enter there your information, let's see, we can scroll, just need your email. I will just log in for the purpose of this to show you what it's like. Now, for example, this is the one that I have on here on Moodle, is the word cloud. Now, so I would say present that. So in order for you to vote, you would go to menti.com. So we'll do that in the next tab. Menti.com. And while that's loading, we will take this code, so 754012. And then you just simply insert it here. This is exactly what the page will bring you to. 754012. So simply enter that there. And then it lets you enter as many words as you like. So say, for example, so share any greetings or phrases you know in Irish. So I could say Slán and Tóga Bugaí. So that's the only thing. So here I have put in a phrase like Tóga Bugaí. Fields with spaces will be considered as one word. So they'll come all merged together, but that's okay. We'll still be able to make it out. So you can fill in more, or you can just submit the two if you like. And there I've voted, so. Okay. So you can just go skip, and then you can go see voting results. And then you can give your email if you want to see the results. Okay, so that is it today on how to use MentiMeter and vote on Menti. So it's just really important to always check that the code is correct and you insert that when you go to menti.com. Thank you.